action. And action. And action.
What is this?
You're supposed to do that in the camera. Oh, that's concealer,
I thought that
contour, and highlight.
I thought that was mixed up lip gloss.
Nope.
Like you mixed it up and everything.
They can't see you. Come around. Hi, everybody. It's been so long since I've done one of these videos. I hope I still have it. This is my friend Mia. Say hi, Mia.
Hey.
And she's going to be keeping me company as I slay this face. But I just wanted to let y'all know this is not a tutorial. This is just a transformation video. And also, just wanted to let you know I'm trying out a new product. I have an oily nose and I'm learning that I actually have dry skin. So clearly, Erika needs oil. And I'm trying for sale Rose Gold Elixir. 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. Bam! I got the $22 bottle. The reason why I got the $22 bottle is because I read some reviews and I heard that when people bought the big $67 bottle, I believe it's $67, it's spoiled. It's spoiled. So I didn't want to waste $67 like that. So I got the little one also because I just wanted to test that out and see what I like. So far, I can honestly tell you I do like it. I have a really bad dry spot on the side of my nose that came when I was younger from having scarlet fever. I never got rid of it. But then I saw that my grandma has that. Well, my grandma from my mommy's side, she has that same problem. So clearly scarlet fever has nothing to do with it. But anyway, I'm just gonna moisturize my face, but I want to show y'all what the product looks like. It got gold in there.
Yeah, it looks like gold.
Got those goldy sparkles.
It looks silver a little bit, but it has gold inside.
Those are the little gold flakies, and I'm just gonna put a little dollop. Ay! Okay, I'll put a dollop there.
They look like gold sparkles.
It does. And I'm also going to moisturize my lips because I just freshly washed my face. Oh, see what happens when you moisturize your lips?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's all the talking I'm doing for today. And over time, I will show you a difference in my face after using the bottle. You can't expect results off rip, but one thing I can tell you is that the oil definitely absorbs quickly. It's very light, and I like that. It doesn't feel too heavy. And my little section is mighty taken care of. And periodically, while I'm doing my makeup, I will be adding more oil to my lips, so that way we ain't dry out here. So that's my little two-piece before I get started. You ready? All right, so we're about to speed up the process. The next time you see me, I'm going to have some eyebrows on. Some eyebrows on.
Supposed to be there over on this way. about to be on now. Just got dressed, he's taking it off now. Don't undress me, slide panties over. Come on, work me, you're the controller. Body's ready, ready for round one. Lock the door because we are on one. Don't undress me, slide panties over. Hey, babe, went down, 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 down. You must wanna drown, drown. I'm gonna turn around, yeah, so we can go down, down, down. Be without you, be without you. Be without you, be without you. Go without you, go without you. Be alone. I don't wanna be without you, be without you. But I have to be without you, be without you. I really have to go. To the day I'm what's best for him, but he's not for me. His strengths are my weakness. We're at the right place, just not now. I hate to lose him, but I'm losing me, waiting on something that'll never be. Wish that I never got the chance to feel this way. The love I have for you was turning to hate. This was never how it was supposed to go. We were supposed to be in total control of our emotions, and I don't like to be in limbo. I'm very black or white, no gray. Either it is or rain. I don't wanna be without you, be without you. But I have to be without you, be without you. I really have to go. Love is strong, pros don't outweigh the cons, so it's best to go on. This here has been prolonged, this hurts, but staying here hurts more. I've been thinking about this, so yes, I'm sure, yes, I'm sure. Wish that I never got the chance to feel this way. The love I have for you was turning to hate. This was never how it was supposed to go. We were supposed to be in total control of our emotions, and I don't like to be in limbo. I'm very black or white, no gray. Either it is or rain. I don't wanna be without you, be without you. But I have to be without you, be without you. I really have to go. Walk in the store, I'm buying that. Black card, I'm swiping that. that good, good. Smoke that good, good. Push out for good, goods. Make niggas wish a nigga would. Patron and some green is all a nigga need. Did it for myself, can't take shit from me. Walk in the store, I'm buying it. Black card, I'm swiping it. Don't take the card, I got the cash. Fucking with a baller, fucking with a boss bitch. Mad at because I'm a baller. Alright, but I'm real nigga too. Grew up around shot callers. That's why my sense so easy to do. Never seen no bitches wavy. Take a look, bitches, it's greatness. Out in paradise, just laying. Sometimes this life is amazing. Hand me the stack, let me flip it, trust you're gonna get it right back. Got a couple of niggas and crazy bitches that walk with more than a loud pack. Hand me the stack, watch me flip it, trust you're gonna get it right back. Got a couple of niggas and crazy bitches that walk with more. Fast cars, big house with booty bitches, jewelry, ice down to my britches. Got the swishes, big bottles, yeah we is. Elevated, that's the label and I'm missing. Going crazy, you're crazy, I got me stuck. me, flip it, trust you're gonna get it right back. Got a couple of niggas and crazy bitches that walk with more than a loud back. And me in the stack, watch me flip it, trust you're gonna get it right back. Got a couple of niggas and crazy bitches that walk with more. Yeah. Oh no, I can't afford to worry about any access. I moved on, but all them niggas still checking. Waiting to see how long it'll take before I crack. Nigga, once I'm gone, I'll never ever look back. Oh yeah, none of you ever lost her. That she got a new bitch, but she isn't enough. Cause if she did you, how I did you, none of y'all motherfuckers will be on my fridge creeping. Oh yeah, I set the bar real high. Can help you when you're down and fuck you real right. Oh yeah.